Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound FMCG stock where the promoter group firm Ratna Commercial Enterprises has silently acquired a further 1 lakh shares from March 27 to 28. Now this is not a new transaction. They have been buying for a couple of weeks and we have prepared a video a couple of weeks back with news of similar purchase by the firm's promoters. We'll be providing a link to the video in the I button above. Also friends, if you have not yet joined our channel as a member, please do so to get member only privileges. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Dabur India Limited, which is available at Rs 405.05 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is DABUR. Now Dabur India Limited is a fast moving consumer goods company which operates in various product categories such as hair care, oral care, health care, skin care, home care and foods. Its business units include consumer care business, foods business and international business. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company was on an uptrend till about the middle of the year, then had a correction and has been consolidating ever since. The market cap of the company is 71,543.62 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 6.81 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 59.48, which may be standalone expensive. However, when viewed with its industry peers, this still appears reasonable. The price to book ratio of 16.93 is also on the high side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.85%, which is decent, whereas the promoter holding is just about average at 49.58%. None of the promoters' holding is placed. One concerning factor is the high debt of more than 1,000 crores on the books. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.